Hello you all, it's Maaike and I'm going to show you 13 crafts made with these Spellbinders 13 days of Craftoween dies. It's a spoiler, so if you don't want to see what I've made or what's in that box because you really are going to do the advent, then skip this video. But if you want to have some inspiration or you just want to see how the crafts turned out, and I can tell if it's difficult or easy or whatever I want to say, so then stay because I love it. So here we go, and I've got this gorgeous storage bin I want to show you. Bought at the TJ Maxx. Isn't it adorable? But inside I've got all my 13 crafts, and this year I'm going to do for the first time a Craftoween Halloween series with crafts. And I was thinking how I'm going to do it because I only know the 13 days off, for example, but I don't want to make for myself too much pressure. So I am going to make a series, but I'm not going to say how many videos, just I'm going to call it this Halloween series, and that's it. And then I'll see how many I'm going to make because I don't know. But this will be the first one. And oh, look, isn't it adorable? Let me take them out. If you want to see the dies, then I can recommend you my other video, or there are also other crafters who are around with videos like that. But look, this is number 1. Isn't it adorable? I just love it. And let me tell you immediately what I love about it. This, of course, I really like this really fun Dracula, but also it's so easy to make because those dies are so, yeah, what do you say, they're so clever made. And I'm not going to show all the dies, but just for one for now. But look, this is so, and maybe you all know Spellbinders, but this is so much fun. This is the black piece, of course. And then you already got this piece, and it's perfectly made. You can place it on the head. Those are the teeth. This is the little red tongue. It's so super easy. And can you imagine this? This piece will be his little sweater. I think it's adorable, but it's so easy. It's so much fun. I just love how those dies come together. They're just brilliant. So this was day 1. Love it. Then we've got day 2, and this is the coordinating package. And look, this is so much fun. I really love it. This one was a little bit tricky with this piece, but somehow I was messing it up, but it turned out really well. But oh my gosh, this is just so adorable, really pretty. And I was thinking to make a Wednesday inspired car, so this is going to be on top of the car. But yeah, nothing made yet, but thinking about it. So this is number 2, where I'm going to keep it. This is for number 3, the poison. And oh my gosh, this die again is so beautiful made. This is has multiple layers. This die cutting die, it's gorgeous. So yeah, this is going to be so much fun. And I was also thinking this is going to be great as a shaker. When you have the fuse tools, you can make it easily into a shaker. So that's what I'm going to do, of course, but later on. But yeah, day 3, I thought this was so much fun. Day 4, and then you're thinking, oh, I wish those dies are in this little envelope, but no, there is something really different, but so adorable. Look at this little spooky, well, it's not spooky, but cutie ghost. I just really think it's so adorable with the pizza slice. Oh, and it comes with this little boo. Look, so cute. And also, and that was a little bit surprising because they don't mention it, but there is this little cat. So cute. So, or am I really missing it looking through this package? In the example, I mean, but I can't. I don't see any little cats. So yeah, I think it's fun because I love cats, but it was a surprise there was a little cat inside this package. But look, this is adorable, and this is, oh, this banner, you can use it all the time, of course. It's going to be great. Such a small add to your fun crafts. Day 5. There we've got my less fun craft. I think it's a little bit weird. I mean, I love weird. Nothing about that. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe those eyes, someone said to me, and I think, yeah, maybe it is. And I have to say, in those colors, it's less freaky, but I don't know. And this head, I was thinking, let's use it for something else. So I will show you later on how I've used the head as well on another one, because I thought that's fun. So yeah, but I think it's fun, but it's not my favorite. Number 6 is one of my favorites. Look, this is adorable. And this is the coordinating packaging. Gorgeous, beautiful. And this is so much fun. And I think, yeah, those dies, these are so well made. Because look, it's all there. There is a little piece. This is for the head. This is the head, of course. And for the black part, they've got a layering piece. So I think that's really, really clever. You don't need any, you don't have to place a black cardstock by yourself. No, you just can die cut. So it's really neat. Yeah, I really, really like it. And look at these cheeks. So super adorable. So yeah, I'm really big fan of this one. And maybe you see, but I am slightly using the colors in the design of the packaging because they're all new and I wanted to make it 13, so I made it myself a little bit more easy, but also so I know how the dice works. So that's something I often do, just make it once in the way they supposed to have them, and then yeah, I can make it by myself. Day 7, look. This is day 7. You don't expect it when you're seeing this. But this die was so easy. I think 2 seconds. Only the candles. The top of the candles, the fire. How do you say? The little flames. But yeah, adorable. Love it. Going to use it for other crafts. I think this is so adorable. Really, really loving it. Then I've got this one. And I thought it was fun, but I also thought next time other colors. But this is day 8, and look how gorgeous this is. Beautiful colors. And those colors, yeah, this is like the example, but I thought, why did I do it? I think it's a little bit boring, but I really think this sip, the Tombstone with sip, I really love it. Yeah, so, and this little ghost, I think it's so adorable. So yeah, however, I thought, okay, those colors a little bit blank, but I am going to love this one for sure. Day 9 is so fun, and this is day 9. Look, oh my gosh, I am not quite sure if I use the right eye, because there is another part where that was which one you also can use for the eye. So this one is a little big, but yeah, it doesn't matter. I think it's so much fun. Really, really adorable. Then we've got day 10 already. And at first I thought, oh my gosh, this I really don't know. But I do know now, it's super cute. I have to say I added this little head. This one is from the spider, because I thought it was not finished. It was feeling a little bit blank, maybe you can say, but it also can be because of the colors I've used. I really don't know. And I also added 2 of those little sequins. So yeah, that's really, I think this one is adorable. And also this I'm going to use it multiple. I think this is so clever. So yeah, now I really think it's adorable. Super cute. So this was day 10? Yeah, day 10, sorry. This was the coordinating package. Then we've got a gorgeous day 11. Look at the colors. And then we've got this one. Well, this you can imagine one, well, I had to die cut twice because I had 3 pieces, but yeah, it was 1 second of work and I think it's super adorable. Maybe I'm going to try it into make it like a little 3D one, but not sure yet. But yeah, this little castle is gorgeous. Look at the details. Then we've got day 12 already. This was so much fun. Look at the little spooky. And I think this is fun. Also really easy to assemble. It was just nothing. I just had to die cut it, pick the right colors, and there it was. So yeah, super easy. And then we've got day 13. And this one is the most, how do you say? This one is a little bit spooky, scary. I mean, this is all so cute. And then we've got this one who is saying or something. But okay, nevertheless, I just think it's so much fun. And I'm trying to say less, but sorry. And look, I think this is also adorable. Of course, those witches' legs. So yeah, this is super fun. And I really loved crafting with it. And of course, it's not done. Maybe it will be a tag flip. Maybe it will be just embellishments for my crafts. I'm not sure yet. However, I already wanted to show you what I am crafting right now because I just needed to share. Oh, this is also fun. Yeah, okay, well, so much to see, so much to do. So, and also I didn't use the stamps yet, but, however, there will be so many other crafts, so I can't wait. Thank you for watching, and let me tell you what you think of it. And have a nice day/weekend. See you the next time. Bye bye.